So Simple Tutorial.
Good morning students, welcome to SST So Simple Tutorial. Today I am here to explain to you the pattern of question paper for the half yearly exams. Since we have to prepare you for the board exam, we generally follow the board exam pattern in class 9. So unless some changes are introduced, the same pattern will apply for your annual exams also. The question paper begins with general instructions. This will tell you the pattern of the question paper. There are 37 questions in all. They are divided into 6 sections, section A to F. Section A contains 1 mark question. It has 20 MCQs. Section B contains 2 mark questions. It has 4 questions. Section C contains 3 mark questions. They are 5 in number. Section D contains 5 marks questions. They are 4 in number. Section E contains case-based or source-based questions. They are 3 in number and carry 4 marks each. Lastly, section F is a map-based question. There will be 2 questions from history and 3 questions from geography. So altogether there will be 20 1 mark question, 4 2 marks question, 5 3 marks questions, 4 5 mark questions, 3 4 mark questions and 1 map question. Total 80 marks. Okay. Your section A begins here. There will be 20 MCQs. Some questions will be very simple. For example, see these questions. What was the main objective of the Constitution of 1791? These are very simple questions. But other questions will have a higher difficulty level. Look at this question. This is a match the column type question. Look at the example. There will be 2 columns, column A and column B. You have to match column A with column B and then choose the correct answer from the options that are given below. I think you are aware of this type of question. Look at this question. This is an assertion reason type question. Here 2 statements, assertion A and reason R are given. Here you have to read these statements and pick the right option from below. Take an example. Assertion. Apartheid was an oppressive system. This is true. Now reason. It divided the people and labeled them on their skin color. This is also correct. And correct explanation of the statement given in assertion. So your answer will be A. To understand assertion reason type question more, a link is given in the description below. You can go through it once. Okay. Now look at this question. Some events are given here. What you have to do here is to arrange them in chronological order. That means you have to arrange them in the order in which they have occurred. That means from the event that happened first to the one which happened last. For example, look at this example. Some events are given from the Russian Revolution. Tsar agrees for the formation of Duma. Collectivization program. Civil war. October Revolution. We know that the Tsar agreed for the formation of Duma after Bloody Sunday. That means which year? 1905. Then October Revolution. That means which year? 1917. After this we know that the Civil War happens. And lastly, the collectivization program by Stalin. So what will be the sequence? 1, 4, 3, 2. You have to see which option has this sequence and select that option as the right answer. I hope you have understood. Students, questions can be asked from the pictures given in your textbook. For example, look at this example. Identify the person. You all know he is Tsar Nicholas II. So the answer will be D. You have several graphs and tables in your textbook. So there can be questions based on them also. So read every graph and table given in your book, particularly the economics book. Now look at this example. This is a multiple correct answer type. A statement is given and various reasons are given for it as 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you have to carefully read the reasons as there can be more than one reason and then choose the correct answer. So I discussed several types of questions. Match the column type, assertion reason type, arrange in the chronological order, multiple correct answer type, etc. That can be a part of section A. So prepare accordingly. Now comes your section B. You will have 4 questions here. Question number 21, 22, 23 and 24. They are 2 marks questions. The answer to these questions should not exceed 40 words. These will be simple questions. One example is given to you. Write any 2 factors responsible for seasonal unemployment. Okay. Section C starts from question number 25. There will be 5 questions. Question number 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29. They are 3 mark questions. One sample is given for you. Section D begins from question number 30. They are long answer type questions carrying 5 marks. The answer to these questions should not exceed 120 words. There will be 4 questions, 30, 31, 32 and 33. One sample is provided for you. Come to section E. These are case-based questions. There will be 3 questions, 34, 35 and 36. You will get a paragraph like this. At the end C, there are 3 questions given, which you have to answer after going through this paragraph. This example is just a sample. There will be 2 more questions either from pol science, history or economics. Lastly, section F, which is a map-based question. See question number 37. There are 2 parts A and B. Question number 37A has 2 history questions. You may be given the map of France or a world map and asked to identify a place from the syllabus planned by your teacher for the exam. Question number 37B will have 3 questions from geography. This is to locate and label with symbols. You normally ignore symbols. Don't forget, this is a 5 marks questions. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 marks. So students, this is a general picture of a question paper that you are going to face shortly. I hope this was helpful to you. So all the best for your exams. Thank you and Jai Hind.